So hey everyone, at Google I/O a few weeks ago, Google shocked everyone by introducing the Pixel 7 months ahead of schedule, but we are still waiting for an official launch to learn more. Again, if you are in hurry, you might not need to wait at all. A Pixel 7 prototype has just been listed for a sale on eBay, and if you act fast, it may be your next phone. Yes, the listing was shared with the Google Pixel subreddit by Reddit user u/lucklewis, who later clarified that they were not the ones selling the device.
No, it's not me.
The listing makes it obvious that this is a prototype Pixel 7 as seen by the non-standard branding on the backside. On early handsets, Google normally remove its branding, as we have seen previously leaked Google phones in the past. These images don't show anything about the Pixel 7 that we don't already know. From the front, it looks a lot like the Pixel 6, right down to the hole punch camera and non-curved display, which Google has yet to show off in official renders. The back of the phone has the same glossy glass as last year, but the camera bar is a matte chrome. However, there isn't much new here. The most surprising aspect of this image is the camera used to shot them, not the device itself. The shiny back of the Pixel 7 exposes that the cameraman is using a Pixel 7 Pro to capture these photos in one of the pictures. While there is no way of knowing how such a device ended up in such a strange location so early in its development, we have no reason to question the truth of this bizarre eBay auction. Moving further, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro may be joined by a third model. 9to5 Google identified a display driver branded with a G10 while digging through the Android open source project. It was recently rumored that the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, codenamed Cheetah and Panther, are related with the tags C10 and P10 respectively. According to AOSP code snippets, the newly uncovered G10 is an Android smartphone that will be powered by an Exynos-based SoC, implying that it will be a Tensor-branded processor. This is the first time a Pixel-related codename begins with a letter G, and it has nothing to do with the affordable A series, the rumored folding Pixel Notepad, or the Pixel tablet. It's difficult to predict where this model will go in the Pixel series, with so much still unclear. So what are your thoughts on the live images of the Pixel 7? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.